This is concerning me to see Poppy because Poppy and Grandma, that's King's grandma and King's grandfather, they hardly ever come because the children feed them. So the fact that they're here, that means they're hungry. How does, Poppy stopped coming for a few years, guys. And the grandmother, she doesn't come because Poppy takes food for her. Look how all her clothing looks, guys. All her feathers. Hello, Granny. Granny. That's Granny, Grandpa King, and Granny King. Wow, guys. Granny King is getting very old. No, Petunia? Granny King is getting very old, guys. I saw her 5 years ago. I think Poppy's only come like 3 times. And you saw the last time he came.